getting out of hand. No liar, no fireman. He said what you wanna be then, just like you. Me never ever see this, my mommy. Take care of me, you'd like you take care of me. That's who I wanna be, just like you, yeah. No, if you don't know them, daddy, thank God me know mine and him take care of me. Daddy, I'm a general. My buster blanks for my daddy. From the day my body's always been there for me. Through the ups and downs, you know you've always been around. So every day me show you love and not just part as they alone. Daddy, let me tell you straight, there's no greater man I want to emulate. I know that Mandela and Obama great, but in my life you are my head of state. Like you, always see you kiss my mommy, hug up and squeeze and caress my mommy. That's who I wanna be, just like you, yeah. No, if you don't know them, daddy, thank God me know mine and him take care of me. Daddy, I'm a general. Oh, genius, Spaniard, done. From me a little you know me turn a big man. You ever teach me right, so know you never lead me right, no fireman.
Hello, my name is Abigail Hamilton. This is my sister, Hannah Hamilton. Say hi, Anna. Hi. This is my brother, Peter Hamilton. Say hi. The name of our daddy is Jaron Hamilton. I love my daddy because he brings me home from school, he brings me to school, pays for the school fee, works and get money to buy food for us to eat. Our daddy's a good dad. From me, Hannah and Peter. Happy Father's Day!
My name is Dominic Bell.
My name is Casey Bell.
And our father name is Mr. Treasure. And I love my father so much. He means the world to us. He drops us off at school and picks us up. And he gives us lunch money for school to buy lunch. I just want to say Happy Father's Day, Daddy. And have a good day. I love you.
Daddy, I love you so much. And thank you for everything.
Behind a good kid is a great dad just like you.
A good father pours in everything into being a wonderful dad, just like my dad.
I have the best father in the whole wide world.
Happy Father's Day. We love you.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I just want to take a short minute to say Happy Father's Day, and then that I appreciate you. I appreciate the man that you have become. I appreciate the strength that you have shown for our family. We have been through a tough season or seasons, and I am grateful for the strength that you have shown. I appreciate it, even in the time where we felt like we lost everything. You still stood up and been a pillar of strength for me, and I appreciate that. And I can only recall the days that when I was very small, and never a conversation that we've had that you have not imparted something that you've learned from the Bible, or something that you've learned that at church and stuff. Like the change is good, and I know that is what is keeping you, and that is what is actually keeping this family together. And as we've learned that the man is the head of the household, and once he has a connection with God, then everything else should and will fall into line. And that is one of the biggest things that I can say that I am grateful for. Most of all, it's just the fact that you were there, you were always there, and it says a lot and it means a lot, and I can say that I appreciate that about you. And I just want to take another second to say happy Father's Day, Apostle. Thank you so much for being a spiritual father to not only me but for my entire family. And to you again, Daddy, happy Father's Day.
Hi, I'm Damal. Hi, I'm Sid.
And I'm Dwayne. And we just want to tell Grandpa,
Happy Father's Day!
yo, thanks for always being there. We love you and we appreciate you.
And we love you.
Okay. And thank you, Dad, for being such a great dad. You know, we appreciate you and a great grandpa.
And we love you very, very, very much.
Okay. Alright.
Bye.
Bye, Dad. Love you.
Hi, Daddy. I'm Joy.
I'm Gabriel.
I'm Jana. And happy Father's Day. I love you, Daddy, and thank you for doing all this for us, and thank you for treating us.
I love you very much. Thank you for just being a father, and thank you. Even though you discipline me in the weirdest way, just thank you.
Hi, Daddy. I love you so much. And what Gabriel said was really weird. And I thank you for being the best father ever.
My old man, Marvin Ashley, he's a part of the Jewish family. Really great guy. All the cliche stuff, family oriented, vice versa, all of that. But beyond that, he's a hard person to crack. I've known him for 21 years and I still have not figured him out. He has his own way of doing things, he has his own way of teaching me things. I can be stubborn, but he definitely gets the lesson across. I'm still currently learning one of those lessons. The former half of my teenage years, I've been like really hard on him, and despite everything that I've been doing or fail or refuse to understand, he still stood there by my side, guiding me through life. And because of him, I've gotten the chance to be places, experience things. But yeah, bro, happy Father's Day, man. Just keep being the person you are, bro.
I really would like to thank you for taking care of me, taking me in your house when you didn't have to, being the man that I needed within my life to show me how a man is supposed to be when it comes to his family and his responsibilities. You provided for me, took me in when you didn't have to into your house, and the way you treated my mom was an example of how a man should be towards his wife, which I have to really thank you for. So on behalf of my wife and I, we both would like to wish you a happy Father's Day.
Hi, Dad! Surprise! Hi, Dad. So this is a very special day for you, and we just want to let you know how much we really appreciate you for everything that you have done, the things that you have done to ensure that your girls are okay, the jobs that you ensure that you do. You always ensure that you're in a job to provide for your girls and for your family, and the way how we see you treat our mother, it teaches us how a man should care for his wife. Yes, sometimes I just feel like mommy is really, like she get to do, she's spoiled. But it's just the love that you have for her, and we just want to tell you how much we thank you.
I want to say that, so thank you for, first of all, being there in our lives, making sure that you're there to provide for us, grow us the right way as women, know how a man is supposed to treat a woman, and also for giving us good life lessons.
Alright, so everybody know that there's a phrase that says everyone can be a father, but it's not everyone a daddy. Now, our father, which is also a daddy, tends to be very silly at times. I love the fact that he can come down to our level. He can sympathize with us sometimes. He will play with us, be goofy around us. A lot of fathers aren't like that. They are just strict and everything. But our dad is the more goofy, fun type. He's always just there to keep us happy, when we're done and everything. So, bye, daddy. You're good. Sometimes.
Good, Daddy. Good. And we love you. And trust me,
Look at what you have produced. Huh? What about
Three
this?
beautiful ladies.
3 beautiful girls. And we just want to say Happy Father's Day. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hello everyone, my name is Rihanna Mackenzie.
And I am Joshua Mackenzie.
And we just want to take this time to say Happy Father's Day to revere amazing and special father Kevin Mackenzie. We're so very grateful to have a father that's involved and very loving and present in our lives. Daddy, I'm so thankful for everything you do, and I know that no matter what, you'll always be there for me, pushing me, loving me, and taking care of me. Thank you for being amazing in everything you do. We love you and appreciate you.
Today I just want to take the time out to say Happy Father's Day to my father, Kevin Mackenzie. I just want him to know that even though I give him a lot of trouble, I want him to know that I love him very much, and I wanted to thank him for being caring and hardworking and being there for all of us when we need him the most. Thank you. We love and appreciate you.
Hi everyone, it's Tian and Laura, and we're here to wish our father a Happy Father's Day. Yes, Randai Shandai. Just want to say we appreciate you. Thank you for always being an anchor in our life. And we just want to say that you've always been there for us no matter what. And we can come to you and talk to you at any time about anything. And we just want to say thank you. And we love every Monopoly game that we play. Oh, we love teasing you and running you up and down the house. Even though we always lose when we play Monopoly. I lose. And we just appreciate it so much. All the little things that you do for us that you don't need to do. Like carrying me to school, carrying her to work. It's just spectacular, amazing. We really appreciate it. And we just know that we can always count on you. And we just want to say thank you for just being there for us and putting up with us when we bother you at any time of the night, because it's always night we come to you. But we just want to say we love you. Big up yourself. Happy Father's Day, big man. Father's Day, Daddy. Love you always. And we can probably play like a Monopoly, you know. But you have to let me win, yeah? Bye. Bye. Mwah.
Hi, my name is Javin James.
And hi, my name is Javin James. We would like to say Happy Father's Day to our father. He is loving and kind. He takes care of us every day. He is a loving and kind coach. We love you, Daddy.
Hello, everybody. My name is Isabella Kelly. My daddy's name is Leon Kelly. My daddy is a superhero. He's the best daddy in the whole wide world. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you very much.
Happy Father's Day, Pops. I just want to take the time out to big you up on this very special day. I wouldn't like to call anybody as my father, and we don't have to go into too much details. You already know the code, you know the root of the grass. So I just want to big you up. Just want you to know that I really appreciate you. Continue to do what you're doing, and I know over the years I've made you proud, and I'll continue to do so. So love you, Pops, and we'll soon link up.
I just want to say Happy Father's Day to the one and only Clifton St. Patrick Robinson. Daddy, I love you so much. You're my strength, you're my guide, you're my support yesterday and today. I just want to tell you that I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you for everything that you have done to bring up a child like me. Thank you. From Jada, Ashley Robinson, your daughter. Love you.
Surprise! Happy Father's Day, Uncle. It's me, David Simone Wills, and I'd like to say a big Happy Father's Day to Mr. Andre Johnson, who, although not my biological father, has played the role of a father to me from birth up until today. So keep up the good work, Uncle.
Surprise! My name is Jada Johnson, and I'm sending this video all the way from the United States of America to tell Andre Johnson Happy Father's Day. My dad has been a big impact on my life from I was a little girl. He's always treated me like a princess. He's always taught me right from wrong. He's brought me up in the Lord. And I just want to say that I love you, Daddy, and happy Father's Day.
Hello world, my name is Liam Brown. My father's name is Rodney Mullins. He is gentle and kind with my mother and I. He is very patient. I love him because he takes care of me and my mother. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Good day everyone, my name is Jason Pudi. I would like to wish all the fathers happy Father's Day, but most notably my father, Mr. Maurice Pudi. I'm not sure if you guys can see the resemblance because no Indian here. Thank you Mrs. Pudi for that. But Daddy, happy Father's Day. I can say that you have truly been a role model in my life. You have taught me what it means to be a man. Nothing compares to your leadership, your compassion, how selfless you are. The amount of time when we get in trouble and you just calm down and deal with the rationale. I really appreciate that. It would not have been for you, Mommy, and of course God, for where I am today. I'm truly thankful for that. And I honestly hope that I can emulate even a tips of your fatherly duties when I do have children of my own. Nonetheless, Pops, thank you for being that beacon. Thank you for showing me and teaching me wrong from right. We go.
Good day everyone, I am Natasha Pudi, the daughter of an extraordinary father, Maurice Pudi. You know, anyone can be a father, but it takes a special someone to be a dad. That's why I'm so proud to call you Dad, because you are my special someone. You taught me the game and how to play it right, and today I'm a great mother to my children. So, out of all the fathers in the world, I think that I got the best one. Happy Father's Day, Daddy, with lots of love, hugs, and kisses. Have an unforgettable day.
Hello everyone, we are the Fergusons. We just want to say to you, Daddy,
Thank you for spending quality time with me.
thank you for always being kind.
I love you, Daddy. You are the best daddy in the whole world.
Thank you for being kind, amazing, and thoughtful.
Thank you for providing for me in needs.
Thank you for being a good role model to me, Dad.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you.
My name is Esther Reed, and I am Paul Reed's daughter. My name is Jonathan Reed, and I am Paul Reed's son. Daddy, we appreciate you and thank you for everything you have done for us. Daddy, you are our superhero.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. We love you. You're the best father in the world.
Hi, my name is Dwayne Williams.
And I'm Khalid Williams.
And our father is Neville Williams. My dad has just always been there. He's the driving force behind most of the stuff that I do. Overall, he's really just always been there. He don't leave us short at anything at all. He's always providing. As old as I am now, he's still providing where he needs to provide.
My dad is a very strong person. He's influential and he's taught me a lot, actually, a lot that as it relates to being a man and just life lessons, and I really love and appreciate him for that. So we just like to say Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Hello, Jimmy. So my name is Taylor Henry, and my father is Kenneth Henry. And yes, I've always have my father on me from birth up until now. He's always been there with me through school, through every situation, every circumstance. He's always been there for me and my sister, and he's been a good father, a good priest, an exceptional husband, and he continues to motivate me, to push me in every aspect of my life, and he's always been there for me. He's my number one supporter, and God has really used him to impact my life, you know, and can't ever replace the love and the honor and so forth that my father has for me and that I have for him, and I appreciate him very much from the bottom of my heart and pray that God continue to keep him in good health so that he can live long and I can make him proud and so forth. So I want to wish him a happy Father's Day and a happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Love you very much. You have taught me a lot of things in life, spiritually, mentally. You showed me how to be strong. You helped me with through school, through studying, all of those stuff. You have always been there for me every part of my life. You've been a good father, strong father. It's not easy when you see how sometimes the things you go through and those stuff. But no, I'm always there for you. Love you, Daddy, and happy Father's Day.
Big up yourself, Dad. I'm Rupert Campbell's son, aka the one Dan elder. Same favor, young. But big up yourself on Father's Day. You mean a lot to me and you've taught me a lot during the years. Yes, I'm saying during the years because I'm over 20. But just stay healthy, stay strong, big up yourself, big up all of the youth community, and that's it. Yes, big up yourself, bro.
Hi, Daddy, and hi, everyone. I'm Martina Campbell, and who is in the face? You already know, since Rupert Campbell's one and only daughter. And Daddy, I just want to say that my favorite thing about you is who you are and your personality. I just want to say thank you for being one of my biggest supporters. Thank you for being the one I can always talk to. And happy Father's Day to a great, amazing father who works so hard to support his children. So happy Father's Day. Love you. Bye.
Your love so hard, with arms wide open. You are my rock, you are my mountain. Sacrifices go unseen. You're such a beautiful human being. You're the gift that keeps on giving. You're my father, you're my father. Mama still had that look in her eyes when you walked in the room. She loved you just as much as she did on your honeymoon. The sacrifices that you made, you tried to hide but couldn't conceal. Daddy, your love and protection is all we could feel. You love so hard, with arms wide open. You are my rock, you are my mountain. Your sacrifices go unseen. You're such a beautiful human being. You're the gift that keeps on. You're my father. You're my father. You are a comforting presence when everything seems so dark. You are the voice in the crowd whenever I needed a spark. I know the pressure to provide kept you up many a night. Daddy, your favorite words, don't worry yourself, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. So hard, with arms wide open. You are my rock, you are my mountain. Go unseen, you're such a beautiful human being. Gift that keeps on giving. You're my father, you're my father. I treasure the things that make you proud of me. You're the perfect example of what I wanna be. Every tear of joy, every moment of laughter, yeah. Every high and every low only brings us closer. Yeah. With arms wide open, with my rock, you are my mountain. Your sacrifices go unseen. You're such a beautiful human being. Yeah. You're the gift that keeps on giving. You're my father. So
Happy Father's Day to
To all the fathers. To all the fathers in the building.
Just like you.
Me never ever see this, my mommy. Take care of me, you'd like it, take care of me.
That's who I wanna be. Just like you, yeah.
You're always there, been there for me. Take care of me, kids like take care of me.
Daddy, I'm a general.
Me bust a blank for me daddy. From me day, me body always been there for me. Through the ups and downs, he always been around. Every day me show me love, not for the day alone. Daddy, make me tell you straight. There's no other man I wanna emulate. Prophesy to me that I was no mistake. Motivate and inspire me to be great. Like you. Me never ever see this, my mommy. Take care of me, you'd like it, take care of me.
That's who I wanna be. Just like you, yeah.
You always been there for me. Take care of me, you'd like it, take care of me.
Daddy, I'm a general.
Just like you. Me never ever see this, my mommy. Take care of me, you'd like it, take care of me.
That's who I wanna be. Just like you, yeah.
You always been there for me. Take care of me, like it, take care of me.
I'm a general.